Hey, my subscribers, what's going on? Sister girl made her a cheeseburger and a nice salad, some more of that little crab meat that I had from the seafood boil mukbang. So I just made me a salad, put some croutons around it, some lettuce. It was under there. I had no tomatoes, and I had some spinach. And I put on there, I put some cheese and some croutons, and there's that seafood salad in the middle there. I also made me a cheeseburger. Here's my thumbnail. Yes, nice cheeseburger here. Made me a nice cheeseburger. Put some fried onions, ketchup, mustard, and relish on there. Yes, I did. Got me a nice cherry Jolly Rancher. Cherry Jolly Rancher. Yes, cherry Jolly Rancher. So, I'm going to put me some dressing on my salad here. Just some Italian. Get some of that Italian on there. They got this new things here. You got put a hole in here or something. I couldn't even open it. So I just had to put a hole in there and just getting it out like this. Okay. That's good enough for me right now. I can put my burger over here, y'all. Hey, I gotta put my burger right there. Look at that. I made my own cheeseburger. My onion fell. And my own cheeseburger. My salad. I'm gonna get salad over. I want cheeseburgers on room. Spinach and cheese. Yeah. Spinach and cheese. So good. I know they be like, she always saying yes. Well, this is my dinner mukbang on a Thursday evening. Eating kind of late. Woke up kind of late, took a nap. And I took a nap. I was a little tired. So I had to get a little rest. Yes, but this salad is delicious. They go that that's that crab. Look at that big piece of crab meat. Look, I had to break it with my finger. Look at that big piece of crab meat. That's how big pieces of they had in the crabs, Cajun crab salad. That's that fresh spinach. It's good nutrition. Can't go wrong. I've been eating salad. And I've been eating salad. Nice cheeseburger tonight. I was going to get a cheeseburger platter from the truck around here on Dickinson Street. Twin said, Mom, we got birds at home. I said, you know what? You're right. Let me go on home and make me a burger. But it was $6 for a burger and fries around there. But I was going to get it, but they said, Mom, we got burgers at home. So I came on home, got my burgers together, had to go to Rite Aid and get my medicine. This salad is so delicious. My burger and salad. I'm glad. Only need one cheeseburger and a salad. I don't need nothing else to eat. After there's nothing else, I don't even need a snack. But today I had the zesty Italian. Yes, that zesty Italian by Grab. So, you guys, this is my cheeseburger and salad mukbang. Good. Y'all already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Nothing like a fresh, tall salad, I'm telling you. That freshness. I've been really eating good here lately. Anybody want to bite of this cheeseburger? I had put ketchup, mustard, some relish, mayonnaise. That was it. On some cheese. I had my own burger at home, just like my daughter said. The thing is, I guess some people be lazy, don't feel like cooking. I love to cook. Ain't nothing to cook on a burger, just put it in the pan and go sit, watch a movie, or go fold some clothes or something. Sweep the floor. Wash the dishes. I don't know. But it's just that the burger was smelling good from their truck. Onions, whatever it was. But I came home and made my own. So, this is my cheeseburger mukbang. Like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you on the next video.